I think recently most people dreams are building an online business because it will guarantee them freedom and it will guarantee them to be their own boss and that they can travel the world and they can do whatever they want with their life. But if you are someone starting right now, you are someone trying to make money online and start to make a living of it, there is some kind of mistakes that I've been experiencing for myself and my friend experienced it too. We are kind of like fixing it right now and we are improving on it. And it's something more of a mindset, but it's not only about mindset, it's kind of like energy that you can start building for yourself today. It's practical and it's a mindset stuff, and it's basically more about a scarcity mindset. So this video is not gonna be that video that I'm going to tell you some mindset tips so you're gonna be that. I'm going to give you a practical example of my life and how you can apply this and how me and my friend find a way of doing it. If you are in this online business and stuff, you probably make the mistake of trying to make money so fast. And what do I mean by that? You want to start making money online, but then you want to start making money so fast that that scarcity mindset makes you quit too early and try multiple businesses at the same time. So you try one business and doesn't give you that fast money that you need, then you change. You try another business and doesn't give you that fast money that you need, and then you try another, and you get into this cycle of changing multiple online businesses. And I've been into this cycle, and thank God I remember that I started to fix this process when I made a test with a cousin of mine that he wanted to be a producer, and and he wanted to do trading too. And I told him that if you want to be a producer, be a producer. If you want to be a trader, but don't try to be the same two things at the same time. And if you want to be a producer, just double down on the stuff that you truly want and don't do anything else for like 1 to 2 years and see where this shit will go. And then he started making beats. At the beginning he was not doing the kind of like good beats and stuff, he was doing like shallow beats. And then he started to go more pro, and then he started to post videos on YouTube, and he did that for like 8 months. He had no results, and he started to iterate more. He started to fix some things there, and then boom, of a sudden he started to make money with his beats, and now he receives money of YouTube monetization, and now he receives money of people that buy his beats. But the thing that I was able to analyze here is that he wasn't scarce for money because yeah, he's too young. He's like I don't know, he's 16 to 17. He started with 15, and he wasn't that guy who was scarce or needy for money. He was doing that, but he wasn't there like chasing money or trying to make a quick hack to win money in the one or the other day. And I've realized that most people that are doing online business now, most get in with the money scarcity mindset. People get into making money and they want to make money very, very quickly. They want to live a lifestyle that they want very, very quickly. And that is the thing that is ruining most part of the businesses. And if you do want to get into online business, don't try to get in it with a mindset of trying to make money quickly. Work your 9 to 5 job, and if you're working your 9 to 5 job, use it for security. Use your 9 to 5 job for security. Start saving money from your 9 to 5 job for emergency situations and design your life the way you want. And have in mind that your online business is not gonna give you results fast. Maybe it can give you results fast, but it's not expected to be fast. And if the more you put that into your mind, and the more you put that, okay, even if you buy a course, it is not a guarantee that you will make money fast. So it doesn't matter if you buy a course, it doesn't matter if you try every shortcut, there is no guarantee that you will make money first. So if you do want to escape this route, you need to put on your mind that yeah, things are going to like take time, and if things are going to take time, I won't be able to live the life that I desire. But how can you start living the life that you desire today with your current income while you're still building your business so you can reach the life that you desire in the near future? Because if you live with the desire that, oh, I'm building this so I will live my freedom, and you wait for the perfect moment to start living your life with your online business, you're just gonna run your progress. So I would say to you, build your online business with the intent of freedom, but don't make plans with it early on. Just build it and test it. Like give it time. Make sure you truly want that thing, and double it down. And the more you just do it, the more you just give it time to experiment and not to act out of neediness, the more you're more likely to succeed. It is different than when you are already in the game and you already know what works, then you can move fast, test out things fast and fast. But like if you are in a situation where you need money quickly, it is better to work a job or seek another thing that is guaranteed and safe to make that money than to try to start an online business and try to make money out of nowhere. And I've realized this recently because I've been like looking at my teen and my cousin, and he's doing very well. And I've been looking at my friend that I recommended the same thing. I remember my friend wanted to pivot his business multiple times. I remember that I say to him like, bro, don't quit, bro. Don't do that. Don't waste your time trying to pivot from business to business. Just focus on that stuff and don't try to change it. Accept it. It's like the business you are doing, and give it time. And the more you give it time to a business, the more you forget the money aspect. And if you are aka scarce about money, you find other ways to deal with it and not your main online business. The more your online business will get that energy to prosper, the more you will work in another lines, the more you work in a lines of prosperity instead of a lines of scarcity that you need money to pay your debts today, tomorrow, or I don't know what you need to do with your money. That's the reflection that I've been seeing in, and I would like to share this insight here with you guys and see what you guys think and see what you guys can benefit from it.